Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Google Translate app. First, we need to sign in with our Google account. Then we need to click here and click on Translate to open this app. If we want to translate any word, any sentence or paragraph, so here we need to first select the language. You can click here and search for the language. Maybe I want to type English. I'm going to search for English and select. Now I'm going to type like I want to translate hello. You can see the suggestions here. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you doing? And here you can see it is translated into this language. I can select any language. I can click here and search for any specific language. If I want to select the language that I want to translate, so here I can choose. Maybe I want to translate into Italian. Now here I can just click to translate by voice, or I can listen to this as well. You can see it in dictionary. You can see the pronunciation, which is hello. And also I can click here if I want to listen to this. I can click on copy translation. I can read this translation. I can share translation to email or X. And if I want to save this, so I'm going to click right here. And if I want to see all the save it, so simple, I'm going to click here and it's going to show me in this panel. Now in this panel, I can just click on sort by date, sort by alphabetically. And here I can export this to Google Sheet and more options. If I click, I can clear all saved, or from here I can just click to remove from saved. And also I can just click here to listen to hello or listen to this Italian language. If I want to, simple from here, I can just click. And the next here we have the history. If I click, so it's going to show me all the history, and I can just click on clear all history. I can save this translation, and if I click on more options, you can remove from history. And if I want to manage all activity, so from here I can click. What more we can do with this app is that we can translate images. You can click and you can drag and drop, and you can browse files. You can paste from clipboard. You can also swap languages if you want to. You can use the shortcut Control plus Shift plus S. Not only with this image, with the text also we can swap the languages. Next we have documents, which we can also drag and drop, and we can browse your files. And here also we have the websites if we want to translate the website. So here we can enter our URL and click here to translate the website. So this is how we can use this app. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.